This is a really big win.
A landmark decision from the state Supreme Court being hailed by members of the LGBTQ community. It ruled the state's anti-discrimination law covers sexual orientation, not just gender.
TV5's Kendall Keys explains how it arrived at this decision and what it means for everyone.
The most recent email that I saw from one of actually a local community member who's also part of our statewide advocacy calls, just said, "I can't stop crying."
Tears of joy for members and allies of the Michigan LGBTQ community.
It is a great feeling.
The state Supreme Court in a landmark 5-2 opinion saying the state's anti-discrimination law covers sexual orientation, not just gender. The ruling stemming from a lawsuit involving two businesses, one that refused service to a same-sex couple at a wedding venue and one that refused to remove the hair of a transgender client. They argued that serving members of the LGBTQ community would violate their religious beliefs.
No longer will businesses, employers, retailers, educational institutions, landlords, realtors, or others be permitted to discriminate against a person in Michigan.
Dissenting judges argued that the 1976 law banning sexual discrimination was specific to biological sex, and it should be up to the legislature to expand protections. But the majority determined that discrimination based on sexual orientation can only occur when someone is treated differently because of their sex.
This is a really big win.
Scott Ellis, executive director of Great Lakes Bay Pride, says although today's decision won't eliminate all discrimination, it provides a protection the community didn't have before.
The impacts of this case in particular mean that there's a legal recourse for people to take now.
State Attorney General Dana Nessel says the ruling elevates the level of respect and dignity for hundreds of thousands of residents.
Today is my anniversary. It's my 7th anniversary. And I fought very hard so that people in the state of Michigan and around the country would have the right to marry. And now because of this case, they'll have the right to marry at the venue of their choosing.
For WNEM TV5, I'm Kendall Keys.